Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at ketogenic diets and metabolic therapy, especially in the context of cancer treatment. Whether you're already following a keto lifestyle or just curious about its potential benefits and pitfalls, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of ketosis to expert tips on staying safe and healthy while on the keto journey, as well as explore the exciting realm of metabolic therapy for cancer. First things first, let's talk about what ketosis actually is. When you hear about people going keto, they're essentially aiming to get their bodies into a state of ketosis. This means that instead of relying on glucose, sugar, for energy, your body starts burning fat and producing ketones as a fuel source. Okay, but how do you get there? Well, it typically takes around 2-5 days of restricting carbohydrates to enter ketosis through dieting. Alternatively, complete water fasting can induce ketosis in as little as 24-48 hours. Monitoring your ketone levels can confirm whether you've reached that magical state of ketosis. Now let's talk about what you can actually eat on a ketogenic diet. We've got our keto food pyramid to guide us through this. At the base, we've got high-fat, low-carb foods like meats, fish, eggs, oils, and butter. These are your main sources of energy on the keto diet. Moving up, we've got non-starchy veggies for essential nutrients and fiber. Remember, it's all about balance. Next, we sprinkle in some nuts, seeds, and low-carb fruits like berries for variety and flavor. And at the very top, we've got the occasional treats like dark chocolate or keto-friendly desserts. All right, now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to rock this keto lifestyle like a pro. Here are some key tips from medical experts. 1. Studies have shown that a well-formulated ketogenic diet can lead to significant weight loss and improvements in metabolic health. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that obese individuals following a ketogenic diet experienced greater weight loss and reductions in body fat percentage compared to those on a low-fat diet. 1. While the ketogenic diet is low in carbohydrates, it's important to include non-starchy vegetables to ensure you're getting essential nutrients and fiber. Studies have demonstrated the importance of fiber in promoting gut health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. 1. Electrolyte imbalances are a common concern on the ketogenic diet, but proper hydration and electrolyte supplementation can help mitigate these issues. Research has shown that adequate hydration and electrolyte balance are crucial for maintaining optimal physical and cognitive function, especially during periods of carbohydrate restriction.
Get enough protein but don't overdo it. Protein is an essential macronutrient for muscle growth and repair, but excessive protein intake can interfere with ketosis by stimulating insulin production. Studies have suggested that moderate protein intake is ideal for maximizing muscle protein synthesis while preserving ketosis on a ketogenic diet. Ease into carb reduction and listen to your body. Transitioning to a ketogenic diet can be challenging, so take it slow and pay attention to how your body responds. Research has shown that gradual carb reduction may help minimize side effects such as keto flu symptoms and improve long-term adherence to the diet. Consider supplements if needed. While a well-formulated ketogenic diet can provide most of the nutrients your body needs, supplements may be beneficial for addressing specific deficiencies or supporting overall health. Studies have indicated that certain supplements, such as omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, can enhance the effectiveness of the ketogenic diet and promote optimal health outcomes. Monitor for potential side effects and see your doctor regularly. Like any dietary intervention, the ketogenic diet may have side effects, especially in the initial stages of adaptation. It's important to monitor for potential issues such as nutrient deficiencies, electrolyte imbalances, and gastrointestinal disturbances. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help ensure that you're staying safe and healthy on the ketogenic diet. Segment 4. The role of metabolic therapy in cancer treatment. Now, let's explore metabolic therapy, especially in the context of cancer treatment. Metabolic therapy refers to a treatment approach that targets the metabolic processes within cells, particularly focusing on altering energy metabolism to inhibit the growth and proliferation of cancer cells while supporting the health of normal cells. This approach recognizes cancer as a metabolic disease rather than solely a genetic one, emphasizing the role of altered cellular metabolism in driving cancer progression. The primary goal of metabolic therapy is to shift cellular metabolism away from the pathways that fuel cancer growth, typically involving strategies to reduce glucose and glutamine, which are key nutrients for cancer cells. This can be achieved through dietary interventions such as low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diets, which restrict glucose availability, as well as fasting or calorie restriction, which can lower overall nutrient availability and disrupt cancer cell metabolism. Additionally, metabolic therapy may involve the use of specific supplements or medications that target metabolic pathways within cancer cells, aiming to inhibit their ability to generate energy or synthesize essential molecules needed for growth and proliferation. These interventions may include drugs that target enzymes involved in glycolysis, the process by which cancer cells metabolize glucose, or inhibitors of glutamine metabolism. The benefits of metabolic therapy include selective targeting of cancer cells. By exploiting differences in metabolic pathways between cancer cells and normal cells, metabolic therapy can selectively inhibit cancer cell growth while minimizing harm to healthy tissues. Reduce side effects. Compared to traditional cancer treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy, which can cause significant side effects due to their non-specific targeting of rapidly dividing cells, metabolic therapy may result in fewer adverse effects. Synergistic effects with other treatments. Metabolic therapy can complement conventional cancer treatments by sensitizing cancer cells to chemotherapy or radiation therapy, potentially enhancing their effectiveness. Potential for long-term management. Metabolic therapy may offer opportunities for long-term management of cancer as a chronic disease, helping to prevent recurrence and improve overall survival rates. Improved quality of life. By promoting overall metabolic health and supporting the function of normal cells, metabolic therapy may enhance patients' quality of life and reduce symptoms associated with cancer and its treatment. Overall, metabolic therapy represents a promising approach to cancer treatment that harnesses the body's natural metabolic processes to target and inhibit cancer cell growth, offering potential benefits for cancer patients in terms of efficacy, tolerability, and quality of life. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet and metabolic therapy, especially in the context of cancer treatment. Whether you're in it for weight loss, improved energy, or battling cancer, these approaches offer exciting potential for improving health and well-being. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any major dietary changes or treatment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.